It's my puppy. You guys know her. Okay, so let's turn the camera around so you guys know why I'm here. No, let's not. Let's put it up where it's supposed to go. Hey, you guys can see my house now. Okay, yeah, that was a random part of the video. Wasn't supposed to be in it, but yeah. Okay, I'm pretty sure y'all can see me again. So I'm gonna be singing America the Beautiful, and then I'm gonna re-upload my Stars With a Dinner, because yeah, I failed at that one. Okay, hold on. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Oh, beautiful for spacious skies, all around the waves of grain, for purple mountains, majesties above the fruited plains. America, America, God shed His grace on thee, and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea. And the dog is going to take us out. That's all you see.